Here's a quick intro to doing data analysis with Pandas pivot table. Imagine we have a dataset that contains weather data by cities and months, and we want to look at temperature trends for each city. With the data given to us like this, it's difficult to see what, if any, trends there are, and if the data were 5 times bigger, it'd be even harder. However, by using Pandas pivot table, we can reshape the data so that each city is a distinct column and make it much easier to identify potential trends. To do so, first we need to pass in the data frame we want to restructure along with the column containing the temperature values for the values arg. Then, we pass in the index we want the new data to have, and finally the column whose values we want to split into distinct series. Now, it's much easier to see the monthly trends, and we can also call .plot to visualize the trends. You'll clearly see the increasing temperatures in Miami and the decreasing temperatures in Sydney, which wasn't at all obvious from the original data. You might have also noticed that temperatures for Miami and Sydney are missing in month 5. This happens because pivot table adds nans for combinations of city and month that didn't exist in the original data. By using the fill value argument though, we can fill in missing values with a different default such as 70 if we wanted to. Lastly, one lesser known feature is that pivot table also summarizes data via the agfunc param. So, in our example, if we want to compute the average temperature in each city across all of the months, we simply specify agfunc equals mean and remove the index param to tell Pandas to average across all months, and we'll get the averages that we're looking for. So, the next time you're trying to reshape and summarize data, consider using pivot table. You'll find that analyzing data can become a whole lot easier.